Your Excellency, I have the honor to announce that the swearing-in ceremony for Honorable Justice Wiliame Jayantha Pandukabaya D. Almeida Guneratne as President of Court of Appeal shall now begin. Your Excellency, I now have the further honor to invite the Honorable Justice Wiliame Jayantha Pandukabaya D. Almeida Guneratne to take the affirmation of allegiance, the affirmation for due execution of judicial office.
I, Wiliame Jayantha Pandukabaya D. Almeida Guneratne, do solemnly, sincerely and truly declare that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. I, Wiliame Jayantha Pandukabaya D. Almeida Guneratne, do solemnly and sincerely and truly declare and affirm that as President of the Court of Appeal, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. And I solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of law and the rights of the people, and will do justice to all persons without fear, favor or prejudice, in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the law.
Your Excellency, I now have the honor to announce that the swearing Your Excellency, I now have the honor to announce that the swearing-in ceremony has now concluded.
Thank you.